The star of the show. Let the rice cooker do the rest. Japanese sweet potato rice. $150 of rice. Rinse the rice until the water runs clear. Drain the rinsed rice thoroughly. $160 of sweet potato. Dice it. $40 of carrot. Cut into quarter rounds. $60 of thinly sliced pork loin. Cut into bite-sized pieces. One tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sake. 1 teaspoon of honey. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. A dash of salt. A dash of ajinomoto. Mix well. Put the drained rice that has been sitting for a few minutes into the rice cooker pot. 220 ml of water. Add the pre-made sauce. Mix well. Add the cut carrot. Spread evenly. Add the cut pork. Spread evenly. Add the diced sweet potato. Spread evenly. Set the inner part in the rice cooker and cook the same way you usually cook white rice. Add butter when it's done cooking for extra flavor. It's still delicious without it if you're health conscious. Sprinkling sesame seed on top is also recommended. 今日の料理はさつまいもの炊き込みご飯でした。Enjoy!